Hi and welcome. In this video, you will get a look into the graphic design tools and methods you can use to visualize your data in an attractive and creative way, focusing mostly on Adobe Illustrator. You'll also have a look at existing examples that have been created with digital tools. The video shown is an example of what you can create and was made using Adobe Illustrator and animated using After Effects, which will be covered in another video. Some of the most popular tools, as mentioned, involve the Adobe suite, including Illustrator, Photoshop, and After Effects. Some alternative tools are Canva, Visme, and Infogram. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful tool for vector graphics, and there are plenty of online tutorials to teach you how to use it to its full potential. As you can see, it's equipped with a graph tool, and with it you can type in and even import your own data from an Excel sheet. The graph type can be changed without affecting the data, and the data itself can even be adjusted anytime without having to recreate the charts simply by right-clicking. You can even fix the width, adjust the style, shape, and add your own colors. Create customized icons that enhance your infographics by visualizing your story. You can even place your own designs instead of elements in your charts like the icebergs in the bottom left. You do not necessarily need to use the chart tool to visualize your data. It can also be depicted through other graphics or a mix of both. You can use shapes or create new ones using the shape and the pen tool and take advantage of your creativity and the full toolkit available on these applications. When you plan on creating graphics for data visualization, it's important to keep in mind that the designs should be able to tell a story, are easy on the eye, clear and concise, aesthetically pleasing, and caters to your audience or your story. So what can make your designs more effective? It can be helpful to look into trends and gain inspiration. If your charts focus all on the same topic, keep each one of your designs consistent with the next. Utilize color. Color has a lot of psychological effects on people and can convey our information more clearly. You can use color to highlight specific information and stick to a pleasing color palette. Select fonts that match the style and vary them to create emphasis and contrast. Use size and shape to visualize value. Tell a story through visuals and additional designs. The work you may want to produce can be straightforward and minimal and still have an excellent effect on viewers, especially if the chart itself is quite complex and needs no more additional visuals. Other times, you may want to ensure that the charts are accompanied by other designs so that they are not too simple. You can produce different graphics or photobash images together using Illustrator or Photoshop to get your point across further. The weather in Reykjavik is a collection of different charts, and each design is consistent with the next and uses a suitable color scheme and a very simple layout overall. There's a lot of visual storytelling in these charts. The first one displays the average precipitation and includes elements in the data that may be similar to a raindrop rippling in a puddle. This next design can be compared to weather patterns and movements that are usually seen on maps, news reports, etc. Color is used well to depict the change in the temperature from cold to warm hues. Lastly, the average amount of sunshine is attractively displayed as a bar chart that represents 2 sunbeams. Next is an infographic that focuses less on charts and more on text that is concise and illustrations that visualize each subject. It uses an overall monochromatic palette with some spots of color, and this really suits the European Union's own branding of blue and yellow. The final effective example of information design that I will be showing you in this video is titled Let Afghan Girls Learn. This image relies on its simplicity to get the information across. There are no charts, colors, or heavy illustrations, but it still brings its message across in a very successful way. When you look closely, the numbers begin from 0 to 500, and they circle around each other in a big spiral. This visualizes how it has been 500 years since teenage Afghan girls were banned from school, and it creates a feeling of a never-ending loop. I hope that this video helped you get a better insight into the possibilities when it comes to data visualization. Thank you very much for your attention.